Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hey, I had a number of viewers out there ask me about a hack and how to do it and how to put it on and how to install it. And I really like this hack, so I'm going to do it and put it together for you so you'll know how to do it. Hey, if you're not familiar with the Onn 4K Pro and why I believe it's a low-cost unit that kicks the crap out of the Fire Stick and other boxes out there, and some qualities of the higher-end boxes. Now, I've already done a video on a complete step-by-step guide. This video right here, as a matter of fact. Now, you may want to go ahead and watch that after this one. I'll post a link to it at the end of the video and in the description for you, just to make it easy. So what was the hack that our viewers out there were asking me for? Well, it's a custom launcher that has so much flexibility and really dial in your own box, whatever, uh, without the ads and all that buy me stuff. And it's easy customization and will be well worth your time. Now, I am appreciative to these viewers out there for being part of the crew and helping us all out. Now, I have used this launcher in the past, okay? But with everything going on, and I do stay busy, it took you guys to bring that dude back up front. See, I do listen. Now I'm going to show you how to download, install, and customize the settings, and you'll be wanting this for your home media setup. Now, first things first, yes, it is free. Yes, it can be installed on Google and Android devices, even Fire Sticks, with limitations. Now, speaking of free, hey guys, I don't ask for donations, Patreon, or join the channel membership or anything like that. But I do ask that you please subscribe, like, and share the videos to support this channel. Now, a lot of you do remember that our previous channel had been wiped out, and we were just shy of 100,000 subscribers. Building a channel takes time and a lot of work. So I thank you for all of those that do support me by subscribing. See if we can get back up to the 100,000 mark. Okay, let's go ahead and jump over to the Onn 4K Pro. Now just take a look at how this is all blurring at you with all the ads and all the buy me stuff. Then you can't find what you're looking for or what you wanted, etc., etc. Well, we're going to go ahead and turn it into something like this. And this is just a tip of the iceberg and so easy to do. Now, where do we get this special app from? Now, you don't need to install other side-loading apps or go to somebody's library of downloads. And this is, like I said, this is easy, guys. Now, this is free from the Google Play Store. So easy to do. Let's go ahead and get this dude installed. Here, go to the app section. And in the search bar, type Projectivity. As you see, as it is spelled right here. That's not a name that I would like to keep. Hit enter, and you see it right here. Now go ahead and click to install it on the Onn box. Here's the initial screen, and you want to use the right arrow to go through the information splash screens that you can read or not. That's up to you. Now, we'll need permission set, so go ahead and allow this, but click no on the notifications for now. Now, you can modify that later if you want. I just don't use that. I don't need the notifications like that. Now, go ahead and click Get Started. Okay, here is what it looks like as we get started. We're going to get rid of these things here to clean it up even more, but just go through it. Okay, go to the top, hit the gear button. We're going to go to Productivity Launcher Settings. Here, I'm just going to kind of go over this and show it with you and see there's a lot of functionality here. We can go back out. We can go to Edit Channels. We can go to the Productivity Launcher again, Android Settings, AM Logic, and so on. Yeah, there's a lot to this that you can play around with. Let's go ahead and hide a few things. Like this one here, we go ahead and click on Visible. It's going to take it out of there so it isn't seen on your menu screen. What you want to do, whatever you don't want, just make it invisible. Now you can go through this and do all of these, all the ones you don't want and so forth. I'm just kind of showing you, how to do it so you can do whatever you need to do later. So we're going to go ahead and make a new category. And we'll go ahead and call this, you got to wipe this new category out first. Then go ahead and type in what you want. We're going to go Jim's Stuff. Then just hit that. Now we got a new category. It is visible. We all looking good here, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you something here. We go out and you don't see anything, do you? You have to have something in the category for it to show up on this screen. So let's go ahead and we'll go, just press the left button, go to your gear icon. Here, and you can go down to add to or move to. Let's go and move it into gym stuff. And there you go. It's that easy, guys. You can do the sizes on this from extra small all the way up to extra large. So you get a lot of play right there with it, which is kind of nice. I always like to put the top ones that I use most, maybe just a little bit bigger. Okay, back up. We're going to go to productivity launcher settings. And go ahead and click on the override current launcher. And go ahead and back out on that one. Let's go to the wallpaper. And you can change wallpaper. Just keep going though. Go to configure here. Let's go back. Okay, we're going to go to the channel launchers, the cards, wallpaper, and you're going to pick out whatever genre here you want. We'll go ahead and choose, let's do car. Go ahead and back out here. And then you can do a delay for each picture. So this is in minutes, so you can put 5 minutes, you can put whatever you want on there. And there we go. Yeah, it's a neat way to do this, and you can go through all these, go to the settings again. You want to do appearance. Let's go ahead and go down. Let's see here. Let's go to the cards, and we can adjust the shapes of them here. This is really kind of handy. You can do, a focus card size, the card size itself. You can do rounded corners and, make them more rounded and so forth. You can go to show title. You can go to here. Yeah, top margin is what I like to adjust because you have kind of big space there. I'll take it down to about 22%. And that's going to move all of our cards up as you see here. Yes, these are called cards. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up. You know how to do it now. So let me go ahead and take it and let's see what we come up with of what I like and this kind of thing here. And this here is my preference. Now you can do all kinds of different categories of like your third-party apps, you can separate it for about anything you want. So you can do that real easy with this. Hey, there you go. That's pretty sweet. Now, this can be installed on a number of Android boxes without any problems, but Amazon and their infinite wisdom Fire Sticks, cubes, etc. It will work, but you will have to open up the launcher every time you get in there. But each time when you press the home button, it will go to the Amazon home screen, okay, with all the ads and stuff. It'll do it every time. Otherwise, get an Onn 4K Pro, guys, NVIDIA or something else. But the Fire Stick, in my opinion, was great for its time. But that time is over. That's just my opinion. I still like having it just because of the size, carry in your pocket or whatever. But there's so many alternatives out there nowadays. So anyways, hey, remember to support me and the channel, guys. And let me know your want to see stuff. Okay, and as you see, I do listen to you. It just sometimes takes a little time to get things out because it takes a long time to make these videos. And if you would, please do that subscribing thing. And most of all, liking and sharing the videos. It's free and tells YouTube to go ahead and shove this stuff out there to other like-minded people like us. All right, all, yeah, be sure to watch this video right here. I told you at the beginning I'd go ahead and put it there. This is a lot of information for a better home media setup. But yeah, watch this one here. You're going to like it. I wouldn't lie to you.